to our channel. I'm the artist Theodora and I'm a figure painter from Greece, and in this video I'll be showing you how to mix yellow oil paint. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather all the yellow paints I'm going to find in the 3 oil painting sets from the Infinity series from Zen Art Supplies, and I'm going to mix them with white, with black, and I'm going to mix each of them with primary colors and see what shades I'm going to get. So it's going to be a very fun experiment. So let's start.
For the materials, the 3 Infinity series with palettes from Zen Art Supplies, with number 2 spatula from Renoir's set from Zen Art Supplies, I'm applying Indian yellow first. Yellow and red is one of the oldest colors in art, while yellow ochre is one of the oldest pigments in existence. The first man used natural ochre mineral in order to paint into caves. For me, yellow is the friendliest color of them all. Especially lemon yellow is my favorite. It reminds me of sunshine and it's so vibrant. Looking back in yellow color's history, yellow color symbolizes so much more than sunshine. For instance, in Imperial China, yellow was predominantly the emperor's color, as it represents power, royalty, and prosperity. If you would like to learn more about yellow color history, there is an article on our blog. What is your favorite yellow shade and how does it make you feel? Took some titanium white with my spatula, and I'm just trying to blend in some Indian yellow and see what kind of shade I'm gonna get. I think that with the white, Indian yellow looks a bit like naples yellow. It is one of my favorite colors to mix with my flesh tones when I'm painting portraits. And now it's time to mix some black with the Indian yellow. You can mix either with the spatula or with a brush. I think it's more easier using the spatula. Yellow has its moment this year because it's one of the colors of 2021. And if you would like to learn more about it, there is an article on our blog. I am mixing my colors on a canvas board, and this one is a little bit rough. That's why I am also using a brush to mix the color better. Mixed with black, the Indian yellow looks like a dark reddish kind of brown. That reminds me of wet soil. Now it's time to mix the yellow ochre with white. And as I'm mixing it, I'm thinking that this could be a very nice flesh tone. And now it's time to mix with black, and I'm very curious to see how it will turn out. It's a little bit lighter than what we got with Indian yellow and black, and it's also a bit on the grey side. Lemon yellow is a very vibrant and warm color, but mixed with white it pales and it looks less vibrant. When I was in school, I remember they told us that if we mix black with yellow, we're gonna get a dark shade of green, and I found it very peculiar. So I see that this is happening with lemon yellow. It becomes a very dark kind of green mixed with black, but you will be able to see that better when I will lighten it up with some white. Cadmium yellow hue is a very beautiful color, and it's also very beautiful and interesting even when it's mixed with white. When mixed with black, cadmium yellow hue turns into a beautiful hazel color. Cadmium yellow deep hue is just a bit darker and richer version of cadmium yellow hue. Hue is just another word for shade. And the color we get when mixing cadmium yellow deep hue with black is just a bit of a muddy brown that is similar to what we got with Indian yellow. And now I'm taking titanium white again, and I'm just going to mix it with it of the darker shades we've got. The black and Indian yellow shade mixed with white looks more green than brown when mixed with white. And the yellow ochre shade mixed with black when mixed with white looks more grey. And so does lemon yellow mixed with white. It looks grey, but a different grey than what we got with yellow ochre. And the cadmium yellow hue mixed with white looks like a pale olive green. And the result that we got from cadmium yellow deep hue is also an olive green, but it's a more deep and rich version than what we got in the previous one. And now I'm gonna take each of these yellows and mix it with red and blue and see what we are gonna get. I am gonna mix them with cadmium red hue, and for the blue, Cobalt Blue. Mixing its yellow shade with red, I'm expecting to get different shades of orangey reds. Mixing Indian yellow with the cadmium red hue, I believe that this red looks a bit warmer than the original one. Mixed with a yellow ochre, the red shade became deeper and darker and a bit richer. With the lemon yellow, the red hue became a bit paler. With the cadmium yellow hue, it looks lighter and more orange. The cadmium red hue mixed with the cadmium yellow deep hue looks very interesting. It looks very coral, orange, vibrant. It looks like my favorite set of lipstick. Mixing the yellows with the Cobalt Blue, there is no doubt we're gonna get various interesting shades of green. The first one is a very beautiful and interesting shade of khaki green. And yellow ochre gives us a very beautiful shade of olive green. Lemon yellow gives us this beautiful, vibrant green. This green is also very vibrant and rich. And the deepest shade of cadmium yellow gives us a beautiful mossy green. So that was today's video. I hope you find it useful, informative and fun. And of course, if you like it, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.